Welcome to this key, the breath, the key to inner peace. At the end of this module, you will have an understanding about the importance of effective breathing and its influence on the mind and the body. You will also take away conscious breathing techniques that will assist you to relieve your anxiety and depression. I recommend that you spend at least 1 week on this key before you move to the next one to help you to anchor the teachings. Conscious breathing is vitally important in maintaining good physical, mental, and emotional health. Each breath sustains life and is the link between the spirit and the physical. It is also important for balancing the emotions, the mind, and the body. The yogis understood this link, and this is why they place so much emphasis on breathing in their practices. They knew that altering the breath has a profound influence on the mind and the body and can bring an imbalanced person back into balance. If you suffer from depression, your breathing is likely to be short and very shallow. This means that you do not take deep breaths and do not use all of the lungs when you breathe. This key will explore the breath and will take you on a journey of discovery into the magic of your breath. So let's start with the first lecture. See you soon.